What's up, YouTube?
I'm Corey.
I'm Cherise.
Together we make the tech couple.
And today we will be talking about the Peel Glass edge-to-edge screen protector for the iPhone X.
Normally you would have to watch an install video, but it's like one of those movies where you see the end before it starts. Cause bam! Cherise is actually already running it.
Yes, I am. I've actually had that on my phone for like the last week and a half, 2 weeks-ish.
It is edge to edge. I don't even know if you can see that.
Yeah, I can't even feel it.
It goes to the very edge.
It does.
And then it goes to the other edge. Hence, edge to edge. Mind blown. So, why don't you talk about it? Because my phone is on like the 4th screen protector. I'm about to install my Peel edge to edge because my other screen protectors keep shattering randomly when I'm not even doing anything but keeping them in my pocket.
That's exactly what my screen protectors were doing, actually. So we've been receiving a lot of products to review for free, and a lot of them were screen protectors. So we said, you know what? Let's try out these screen protectors. And I gotta be honest, in the last 2 months, I think I've gone through like 5 screen protectors, specifically 5 tempered glass screen protectors, and I have not dropped my phone. I just put it in my pocket. I almost never even put it in my purse or near keys. It's on me, and I promise I'm a human, I'm soft, and it just be breaking.
So what we're gonna do is, you've already seen what it looks like. We'll talk about what is included in
in the package.
This little mailable letter. I love Peel cases, so I have high hopes for that.
Yeah, we've been using Peel cases. Peel actually makes some really great, super duper thin cases for iPhones and maybe other devices.
This is like a really premium piece of cardboard. I don't even know if you can see, I'm gonna read it to you in a second, but you see how thick that piece of cardboard is?
Well, they take pride in their products.
So there's some, some simple
installation,
4-step process.
And it was actually very, very simple. So obviously they include a microfiber cloth for you to go ahead, clean off the screen. There's a dust sticker for you to make sure if you kind of screwed up or put any more dust on there that you can boop, 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 pick it back off.
Yeah, I guess that's what the stuff is included.
Yeah, that's all the stuff that's in there.
Alcohol prep pad and the aforementioned sticker.
Mm-hmm, sticker.
Then of course there's a little microfiber cloth, which also was mentioned previously.
Yep. And the Peel itself.
The Peel?
The Peel tempered glass, whatever. Peel glass.
Let's see what that looks like. Has a little black bezel around the edge.
Yes, so it helps to blend in that much more with the iPhone. And yeah, it actually is very simple. So once you take off the plastic backing from the Peel glass, you place it right on top of or line it up appropriately, which was actually really easy since it's so wide that it was very, very easy to be precise. I lined it up at the speaker at the top, laid it on, and then you just give it one good push right in the middle.
Yeah, pretty straightforward.
And it covered itself.
See, this Peel glass story looks kind of interesting. So I'm gonna go ahead and read it to you.
Story time.
Since the start of our little company, we've wanted to produce a premium screen protector to complement our beloved, it is beloved, Peel case design. We've finally accomplished this. Peel glass is here, and it's the best screen protector you can buy. Their words, not mine. We didn't say it.
That's what they're saying. We're saying it, but they said it first.
They said it.
Peel glass protects without compromising on surface feel, clarity, or quality. It feels just like the screen it protects. And it does. A color-matched bezel is embedded into the premium glass material. Contour cut edges perfectly wrap the device's surface.
Do you feel like contour cut edges perfectly match your device?
I actually
Wrap
do.
Your device?
Yeah, no, I definitely do. You felt it yourself when you just held my phone. You legit can almost not even feel the edge of the screen protector because it wraps so perfectly around. And then the black bezels on it disappear flawlessly into the iPhone X bezel itself.
So then, Cherise from the Tech Couple, I got a question for you.
Okay, Corey from the Tech Couple.
Would you say it's your favorite screen protector you've used thus far?
I gotta be honest, I normally like those matte screen protectors. And this has changed my mind about that.
Uh-oh.
This is hands down the best tempered glass that I've used on any phone. Not just the iPhone 10, but dating back to when we first started using tempered glass. This is hands down the best one. It looks great. It feels great. And I actually, he doesn't know this, but I did drop my phone not too long ago, like 3 days ago, getting out of the car, just bloop, right there on the ground. And my case looks like it got dropped, but my phone is flawless.
You did what?
This is why you don't tell people stuff, you know what I mean? Like, people just, as you can see, I mean, it looks flawless. There's not a scratch, that's dirt, don't judge me. But it looks...
Dusty phone.
It looks perfect. It feels great. My screen clarity is still there. Nothing has been compromised because I have this. And some other screen protectors have kind of dulled it or given you kind of like streaky lines or whatever. It's not been perfect, but this one, it just is.
The only complaint I have is trays, installation trays. That's a genius idea. I'll pay you $2 for an installation tray. I think it should come across the board with every screen protector.
But this one is so big that I think with other installation trays, they work better because there's a small, like the screen protector isn't as big as this one. Whereas this one has the bezels, the other screen protectors stop at the bezels. And I think that without the installation tray, you're still gonna line it up pretty gosh darn good.
But what you can do, if you want more videos from the tech couple, you can smash a button that is located, depending on what device you're using. But it's a button that says SUBSCRIBE. I spelled that right?
Oh wow, go you.
Says subscribe, go and click that. Smack the notification bell as well so you can get notified
when we have more content. As always, I am Sharice.
Oh, I am Corey.
We are the Tech Couple, and we will check you guys in the next one. Bye.